Create a hidden sliding table extension from your kitchen island that pulls out and locks in place to seat a large family in minutes. Start by planning the dimensions so the pull-out matches comfortable dining ergonomics for adults and children alike. Aim for an extra depth of 24 to 30 inches and a length that aligns with your existing table. Use plywood core with a durable, wipeable laminate or sealed hardwood veneer for the tabletop to resist spills and weather if it will extend outdoors. Reinforce the sliding platform with steel channel runners beneath and add folding or telescoping support legs that lock rigidly when extended so the extension carries heavy dinnerware. Integrate a shallow serving trough or condiment well along the center that drops into the extended section for sauces and shared dishes without cluttering tabletop space. Mount continuous ball-bearing drawer slides rated for at least 600 pounds to ensure smooth motion and longevity, and use soft close catches to prevent slam damage. Finish edges with a water-resistant sealant and add discrete gasket strips at the threshold to keep insects and drafts out when the table is used in a transition to outdoor dining. People often underestimate the structural load and get a wobbly extension, so reinforce with cross members and test with realistic weights before finishing. Another common issue is inadequate weatherproofing when the extension moves outdoors, so choose finishes and hardware rated for exterior exposure even if mostly used inside. Finally, homeowners sometimes forget user ergonomics and end up with awkward legroom, so mock up full-size cardboard or plywood prototypes and sit at the extension to confirm knee clearance and plate reach. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can draft plans, source materials, and install sliding extensions and island systems that match your kitchen layout. We also help contractors find work and connect with clients, and we host an active discussion community where builders and homeowners share tips, photos, and lessons learned.